Teslong rotating inspection probes offer a new and unique point of view to see a much wider area when performing inspections. The probe has a forward-facing camera and a sideways-facing camera, plus buttons to rotate both cameras 360 degrees. The monitor even has a split-screen mode to see both views at once. Currently, you can purchase these probes with Teslong NTS300 and NTS500 monitors. But if you already own an NTS300 or 500 monitor, you may be able to update your monitor's firmware and buy the probe by itself, saving some money. First, we need to identify the firmware that your monitor is running. Turn your monitor on and press the settings button twice. Use the arrow down button to scroll to version and select it by pressing OK. You'll find the firmware version in the lower right corner of the next page. It's usually a combination of numbers and letters that should look something like this. Pay attention to the second set of numbers. If you have an NTS300 or 500 monitor with the following firmware versions, then you can upgrade your monitor. If your monitor can already display a split-screen view, then it does not need to be upgraded. Note, you cannot turn off your monitor from the version page. Press the settings button again to power down your monitor. Next, go to Teslong.com and find parts and accessories under Shop All. Then click on the rotating probe product page. Now, select the monitor that you have, either an NTS300 or NTS500, plus its corresponding firmware number. Select the length of the probe that you need before proceeding to the shopping cart to complete your purchase. Note that there is no additional cost to update the firmware. When you receive your rotating probe, it will come with a microSD card that includes the firmware update. Updating firmware is a simple process. First, turn off your monitor and remove its microSD card. Now install the new microSD card that you received with your probe order. Turn the device on and the firmware will automatically update the monitor. The monitor should turn off by itself. Next, remove the microSD card and replace it with the one you previously used. Finally, you can install the rotating probe and long press the capture button to access the split screen feature to see through both cameras at the same time.